Today we have a very, very important lesson. And I really don't want to do it today, but that's how it goes. Okay, so we need page 267, 268. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start at the bottom of the page, please. Okay, start at the bottom of the page. We have, down here, we have some numbers. We have the number 3. Ooh, squeaky. The number 2. We have the number 1 and the number 4. Okay? You see that? You see these numbers? Okay, now watch what happens. This is really cool. This is where I love math, because math is so cool. It always, 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 always works. Okay? So watch this. 3 plus 2 is what? 5, that's right. Ooh. 3 plus 2 is 5, okay? What is 1 plus 4? 5, right, 5. Okay? Okay, right? Now, what is 3 plus 1? 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6, right? Okay, now, watch what happens. This is super, super cool. Okay? What's 5 plus 5 is what? 10. What's 4 plus 6? 10. Look at that. When you add the numbers, they will be the same. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4, okay, right? 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, right? So you add them all together. 4 plus 6 is 10, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Cool. Let's do the one. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Well, we'll do the other one, okay? So, real fast. Math is so much fun because God made so many cool tricks. Okay, so here we go. Okay, the next one is a 5 and a 3. And here we have a 2 and a 2. Okay? So, 5 plus 3 is what? 8. What's 2 plus 2? 4. Okay? Let's see. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? Right? 8 plus 4 is 12. And 7 plus 5 is 12. Isn't that cool? Okay, well, that's just a fun little thing, but now for the big lesson for today, okay? Today we start something very, very important. It's called carrying. In Spanish, they call it llevar, okay? Now, on your paper right here, okay? The first problem is 74 plus 16. Okay, I'm going to add them together. Okay? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take some money. Okay? You should do with the money. So, we have 74, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then we have 16. A 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay. Okay. So remember we said you always, always, always start on this side. Here is why. Okay? We're going to add 4 and 6. What's 4 plus 6? Is 10, isn't it? But can we put 2 numbers here? No, we cannot. Okay? So what are we going to do? How many lemon pears do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these 10 ones and we're going to trade them for 10. See that? We're going to trade them. Boom. Okay? So what are we going to do now? We're going to take this 10 and put it in with our 10 pile. Okay? There it goes in our 10 pile. So, what do we have? We have, oops, we'll put it there. We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a 1. And then we have that extra 1. We have that extra 1, right? And what we're going to do with that extra 1, we're going to put that up here. Because that's the extra 1 that we have, right? So now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We have 1 and 7 makes 8 and 1 makes 9. But after we traded our 1s in, did we have any 1s left? No, we didn't. There were none left, right? So we put how many 1s do we have now? We don't have any, so we're going to put a 0 there. Okay, see how that works? So we say 6 and 4 makes 10, right? 6 and 4 makes 10. 10. We take that 10, we're going to trade it in for a 10 like this, right? So do we have any more of these left? No, so we put a 0 there because we don't have any 1s left. Okay? So we have this 10 here. That's the one we traded. We pop him up there. Then what do we have? We have the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus the 1 makes 8. And 1 more down here makes 9. Boom. And there's how we do it, okay? Let's go to the next one, okay? So here we go. We're going to do that all over again. All right, let's do another one. The next one is 53. And we have 37. And we're going to add them together, okay? So let's do this. Let's put a line down the middle to keep us from getting confused, okay? Okay, so here we go. So we need 53. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 53 there. I wish you could be here to see it all, but that's... Okay, then we have 37. 10, 20, 30. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So what do we do? First we add our 1s. Always start here. So we're going to take our 1s, right? And we're going to put them in the same pile, right? Put them in the same pile, right? They're the ones. Okay, now, you tell me, what is 3 plus 7 is what? 10, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? It's 10. Are we allowed to put a 10 here? No. We're only allowed to put one number, not... See, we can't put 2 numbers there because that's 2. We can only put 1 number there, okay? So what are we going to do? We're going to take these and we're going to trade them in for a 10, right? Now, we trade them in. This is 10 and this is 10. They're the same. Now, do we have any more 1s? Do we have any 1s left? Nope, no 1s left. So we're going to put a 0 there. We put a 0 there. Oh, we have a little box up here. But because we traded that 10 in, we're going to put him up here, right? Right? Because we traded him in. Okay, now, so we put this in our pile, right? So we have a 1 plus the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the 3. 1, 2, 3, right? There they are. Let's see, how many do we have all together? 1 plus 5 is what? 6. And 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Well, look at that. It's 90 again. Isn't that happy? Okay, let's see if we're right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Isn't that fun? Okay? We're going to do another one. The next one, okay? Okay, next one. We have 22. And we have 38. We're going to add them. Boop. Okay, let's put a little box up there. Okay, so here we go. We have 22. 10, 20. 2. 1, 2. Then we have 38. 10, 20, 30, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to draw a line here for starters. Okay, there we go. Now, we have to add our 2 and our 8 into the same pile, right? 2 plus 8 is how many? 10, Miss Susan. But can we put a 10 there? No, Miss Susan. We can't do that. Let's see, just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what do we have to do? We have to take our 10 lempiras and we're going to trade them, take our 10 ones, and we're going to trade it for a 10, right? Trade it in. And what do we do with that 1? We put it up here. And what do we have any 1s left? No 1s left, so we put a 0 down here. We have a 0 there, and now we take this 1 and we put it over here with these guys, right? So let's see, what do we have? We have our 1, our 2, 1, 2, and our 3. 1, 2, 3. We put them all in the same pile, right? How many do we have? 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. And our answer is 60. Okay? Let's do another one. One more. Okay, the last one. Is 46 plus 24. Okay, so here we go. We need 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 46, right? 1, 2, 3, oops. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here we have 46. We need 24, 10, 20, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay, so what do? We take 6 and 4 are what? 10. We put our 6, our 4 in the same pile, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? We have 10. But can we put 10 there? No, Miss Susan. So what do you have to put there? We have to trade these ones in for a 10. Do we have any ones anymore? No. But we do have a 10. So where do we put this guy? Up here, don't we? We put him up there, right? Then we take this guy and add him in with the other ones, right? Cool. So we have our 1. Oh, there he is. 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2 more. 1, 2, right? Okay. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 and 2 is what? 7. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how that works, okay? We will be working on this again after Semana Santa. It's really, 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 really easy, okay? Okay, now, the rest of your paper. Here we go. Here, you're just going to add, you're just going to count. 151, 152, across your paper. We did this already. Here, subtract. Done that many times. Okay? Here we go. Which hour you put in, and it'll help to circle the bigger number first, okay? And then put your hour with. Here, write your times. Here you know how to do this. Okay, money, 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 okay? Let's do this. Okay, so here we go. These little guys down here, he's a 1. He's a 1. He's a 10. 10, 25, 25, okay? How much money do you have? 1, 1, 10, 10, 25, and 25, okay? That's our lesson for today. And you have a great, oh, I forgot, just a minute. Don't go away. On the back of your paper like this is a speed drill for 7s, right? 1 minute, 1 minute. Make sure you do this. Yes, ma'am. Put your name on your paper. Put your name on your paper, please. Put your name on your paper. Okay? Make sure your mommy you get that to your mommy, because you're going to need this for your partial exam. Yes, ma'am. We hear you loud and clear, Miss Susan. Yes. Thank you. Have a great Semana Santa.